This video will provide you guidance for installing the Yale Libi digital lock key. In the box, you'll find the installation instructions, user guide, drilling template, exterior and interior body, mounting plate, deadbolt, strike plate, drive-in, 2 keys, 5 short wood screws, 2 long wood screws, 2 short mounting screws, and 2 long mounting screws. Before you start, remove any existing hardware and check that your door is compatible using the drilling template provided. The through bore hole must be 54mm. The edge bore hole must be 25.4mm in diameter. The back set must be either 60 or 70mm. The thickness of your door must be between 35 and 45mm. The 8mm blind hole for the vertical alignment is optional. To install the Yale Libi digital lock key, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You may need a flathead screwdriver if installing the optional drive-in. Next, you'll need to install the deadbolt. If your door does not have a pocket for the faceplate, the drive-in can be installed. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the faceplate and clip on the drive-in. If your door has a 70mm back set, rotate the bolt to increase its back set. Make sure the deadbolt is in the unlocked position. Insert the deadbolt in the door and ensure the arrow is pointing upwards. If you didn't install the drive-in, use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the deadbolt with 2 19mm screws. Once the deadbolt is installed, the strike plate will need to be installed onto the door frame. Align the strike plate on the door frame with the deadbolt on the door. When aligned, secure it with the 4 wood screws. If you haven't drilled the optional 8mm blind hole, remove the post at the top of the exterior body using a Phillips head screwdriver. Mount the exterior body to the exterior side by passing the cable through the bore hole, below the deadbolt and out to the interior side. Then, guide the tail bar through the horizontal slot in the deadbolt. While holding the exterior body in place, thread the cable through the central hole on the mounting plate and push the cable into the bottom recess of the mounting plate. Allow the mounting plate to sit flush against the door. Using a Phillips head screwdriver and the 2 long mounting screws, secure the exterior body and mounting plate together. Prepare the interior body by rotating the turn knob so that it's pointing upward. Plug the cable into the socket on the interior body. Then, rotate the tail bar to throw the deadbolt, or use the mechanical key from the outside to do so. Guide the tail bar into the interior body and fix the interior body to the mounting plate using a Phillips head screwdriver and the 2 short mounting screws. Be sure not to pinch the cable, as any damage could affect the performance of the lock. An optional short wood screw can be used to secure the interior body to the door. Once the lock has been securely mounted, insert the 4 AA batteries and add a user code by pressing the programming button. Then 1, then circle, then enter a 4 to 10 digit user code. Then circle again. This will automatically start the door handling process by extending and retracting your deadbolt to learn the orientation of your door. Once the door handling process has been completed, the LED on the keypad will flash green. Check that the bolt can be operated freely using the turn knob on the inside or your key from the outside. With your door open, check your user code works by entering it. Your deadbolt should retract. This concludes the installation of your Yale Libi digital lock key. For additional programming options, refer to your user guide.